How's it going? My name is Simon Chen. I'm from Dallas, Texas, and currently a senior at the University of Texas at Austin, interested in structural engineering. You actually caught us at a very busy time, as you can see. We're preparing for our annual ASCE Steel Bridge competition this January in El Paso, Texas. Civil engineering is really cool because you get so much experience using heavy equipment in the shop, working with bandsaws, grinders, and drill bits. It's a lot of hands-on experience that you won't get to see in other disciplines. The ASCE Steel Bridge competition is always fun because you get to learn how to design a bridge with MicroStation and Stand Pro. Then you get to fabricate it in the steel shop and then compete to build the bridge quickly. During the competition, there's a team of builders on the floor that try to get the fastest assembly time. After they finish, the judges will load the bridge with weights to inspect how much the bridge deflects. I learned a lot about beam and truss designs. I learned how to draw out a bridge design in MicroStation and analyze its loads in Stand Pro. These two are professional programs that are used in the industry today. The technical skills and knowledge I take away from my experiences in the steel workshop and with the computer programs will help me with my future career. One thing that made me want to study engineering was because I realized how much impact that engineers have in the world. I realized that people still live in impoverished areas and they don't have as much resources to shelter and stuff like we do. I now feel that engineers and architects have a greater purpose to build shelters for those in need. My first step in carrying out my dream was by joining Global Brigades, which is an organization that goes into impoverished communities around the world, and they build infrastructure that the community needs, such as banks, schools, or medical clinics. This past January, I traveled to Honduras to a rural area called El Canton, which is just outside the Honduran capital, Tegucigalpa. We spent 1 week there working on the construction of a medical clinic to provide health benefits for the entire community in rural Honduras. On the brigade, I had so much hands-on experience and learned so much about construction, from how to pour concrete foundations, what proper proportions for concrete mixes, wood framing and detailing, and how to lay CMU block. It was humbling to see how little technology the community had, since we had to mix all the concrete by hand and shovel, and they had none of the concrete mixers that we have here in America. Civil engineers deal with construction methods and techniques throughout their career, and if you like to build things, civil engineering is definitely for you. This was a great opportunity and experience to be involved in this project, especially for a student like me, because I was able to apply my knowledge from the classroom to real-world projects and be able to see the project to its completion. Being a part of this team revitalized my energy to learning about how profound my impact can be as an engineer. After being involved in Global Brigades, I realized the complexities of the world, giving me clarity and direction of what I hope to accomplish with my engineering degree.